Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Chatbot to Zapier. So first go to zapier.com/dashboard, and over here click on create a Zap. Now let's select our trigger. So our trigger will be Chatbot. First you need to have a Chatbot account for this to work as well. So make sure you have a Chatbot account. Connect with the Chatbot. I'm just going to speed up this process. So alright, so our account is connected. Now click on action. So I'll just pick some random action such as Gmail. Fill in some details. So I'm just going to do this and click on continue, and that's how you connect Zapier to Chatbot. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.